Having the right projector can completely change your home theater experience. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best home theater projectors so that you'll never have to suffer through choppy and terrible viewing experience again. Now, the issue is that a projector might work great for one person, but it just might not be the best for you. And that's just because most home theater projectors are not made with the same people in mind. So that is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. Regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect home theater projector for you. And all the links to find the best prices on all of the projectors mentioned in this video, I'm putting in the description below. The projectors mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. First, I have the Samsung The Premier Ultra. And that's my choice for the best ultra short throw projector. The Samsung The Premier Ultra elevates home entertainment with its stunning 4K resolution, vibrant colors, built-in smart TV platform, immersive 2.2 channel system, and ultra short throw capability. The Samsung The Premier Ultra delivers stunning 4K resolution with vibrant colors and deep blacks. This provides a truly immersive viewing experience. And whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing video games, every single detail really pops off the screen with incredible clarity and realism. With a built-in smart TV platform, you can easily access all your favorite streaming services and apps right from the projector itself. Plus, with HDMI inputs, you can easily connect all your devices from gaming consoles to Blu-ray players for endless entertainment options. The Premier Ultra has a 2.2 channel system which elevates your home theater experience with ease. With a powerful subwoofer and 30-watt speakers, the Premier Ultra fills the room with immersive sound to bring your movies and shows to life. Plus, with a compact and modern design, this projector seamlessly blends into any home theater setup. The Samsung The Premier Ultra combines a 2.2 channel system, HDMI ports for easy connectivity, 4K resolution, and a compact design for portability. So if you're looking for an ultra short throw projector that delivers powerful resolution for your movies and TV shows, the Premier Ultra might just be the best pick for you. Next, I have the BenQ TK700STi. And this is my choice for the best home theater projector for most people. The BenQ TK700STi stands out as a premium home theater projector, delivering stunning 4K visuals, low input lag, 100-inch screen size, a vast amount of connection options, and short throw capability. The TK700STi boasts a stunning 4K UHD TV resolution with HDR support, delivering crisp, lifelike images with incredible detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite content, the TK700STi ensures an immersive viewing experience like no other. With a short throw ratio, the TK700STi projector can display large, cinematic images from a short distance, making it perfect for smaller rooms or spaces where traditional projectors may not fit. Plus, with its 100-inch screen size at just 21.5 feet away, you can enjoy a true big screen experience without needing a dedicated home theater room. The TK700STi also comes equipped with 4K low latency with 16 milliseconds at 60 Hz. It provides low input lag. Using game mode, you can fine-tune audio and images to your preferences. In terms of the connectivity, the TK700STi offers a wide range of options, including HDMI, USB, and 3.5mm jack. This allows you to easily connect all your favorite devices to enjoy all types of content. The BenQ TK700STi offers a wide range of connection options: 4K low latency, 100-inch screen size, short throw capabilities, and 4K UHD TV resolution. For those who are looking for a high-end home theater projector that has a reasonable price, the TK700STi might just be the right option for you. Next up, I have the Epson Home Cinema LS11000, and that's my choice for the best overall home theater projector. The Epson Home Theater Cinema LS11000 sets a new standard for home theater projectors with its breathtaking 4K Pro UHD resolution, advanced HDR and HDR10 support, technology, HDMI 2.1 connectivity, and advanced laser light source. The Epson Home Cinema LS11000 boasts cutting-edge 4K Pro UHD resolution and 25,000 lumens. This delivers sharp, stunning, and lifelike images with vibrant colors and deep blacks. So whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, every detail is rendered with breathtaking clarity and realism. But what really sets the LS11000 apart is its advanced laser projection technology. With a high-performance laser light source, the LS11000 offers superior brightness and color accuracy compared to traditional lamp-based projectors. Plus, with support for HDR and HDR10+, content and wide color gamut, you'll experience visuals that rival even the most premium cinema screens. With motorized lens controls, you can easily adjust the image size and focus with the touch of a button. Plus, it has precision shift glass plate technology which refracts pixel light to display 3840 by 2160 precisely. And with HDMI 2.1 connectivity along with ARC and eARC support, you can easily access all your favorite content, whether it be through AV receivers or next-gen gaming consoles. The Epson Home Cinema LS11000 really impresses with its stunning 4K Pro UHD resolution, advanced laser projection technology, precision shift glass plate technology, motorized lens control, and support for both HDR and HDR10+. And if you're looking for a high-quality projector that delivers a powerful performance for all your viewing needs, the LS11000 might just be the best home theater projector for you. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these projectors almost daily with sales and other general price drops. So if you want to find the most up-to-date information, check out the description. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Next, I have the BenQ HT3560. The BenQ HT3560 captivates audiences with its immersive 4K UHD resolution, cinematic color technology, support for HDR10 and HLG, and vertical lens shift system. The BenQ HT3560 has a true 4K UHD resolution, ensuring that every detail is displayed with incredible clarity and precision. And whether you're watching brand new movies or streaming your favorite shows, you'll be blown away by the lifelike images and vibrant colors that this projector produces. With BenQ's cinematic color technology, the HT3560 provides DCI P3 color gamut with factory-calibrated color accuracy. It has support for HDR10 and HLG, which delivers stunningly accurate colors and impressive contrast, really ensuring that every scene looks just as the director intended. The HT3560 comes with vertical lens shift and 1.3x zoom. You can easily adjust the image size and position to fit your screen perfectly. Plus, with support for HDMI, you can enjoy high-quality content from a variety of sources without any hassle. The BenQ HT3560 stands out with its stunning 4K UHD resolution, cinematic color technology, vertical lens shift, and support for HDR10 and HLG. And for those looking for a well-rounded home theater projector, the HT3560 might just be the right fit for you. Next, I have the Verratek Vision Cinema P8 Plus. And this is my choice for the best home theater projector for the money. The Verratek Vision Cinema P8 Plus brings cinema to your home with an affordable price, 4K resolution, built-in stereo sound, Bluetooth connectivity, user-friendly interface, and portable design. The P8 Plus boasts a stunning 4K resolution, delivering crisp, clear images with vibrant colors and deep contrast. Whether you're watching the latest blockbuster or immersing yourself in your favorite video game, every single detail is brought to life in breathtaking clarity. Thanks to its seamless wireless connectivity, the P8 Plus offers a user-friendly interface. Utilizing both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth technology, you can effortlessly connect your preferred devices, whether it's gaming consoles or laptops, to enjoy content on a larger screen. The P8 Plus excels in audio performance with its integrated stereo speakers. So, whether you're engrossed in an intense action scene or enjoying your favorite music, the P8 Plus ensures you have a rich and immersive sound that places you right in the heart of the action. Not to mention, the P8 Plus has an added bonus of portability. This weighs in at just 4.5 pounds, which makes it incredibly easy to transport. The Verratek Vision Cinema P8 Plus is a fantastic, affordable projector with its portable design, built-in immersive speakers, 4K resolution, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity. If you're looking for a home theater projector that blends affordability with great quality performance, the P8 Plus might just be the best choice for you. And if you guys liked this video or even learned something, please go ahead and give it a like and make sure to smash that subscribe button. And be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all of the projectors mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.